Hey there folks, as we know, plastic waste is a massive issue in the world today.
We have the solution and everyone can do it, so why won't we?
But did you forget about the 9 R's?
Refuse, rethink, reduce, reuse.
So here in Drumore we have several issues surrounding our community. We have sustainable problems, coastal problems, mental health problems too.
So it's been a great pleasure to collaborate with Sean, and this really is an incredible example of what can happen.
An honour to stand before you for the Maths Eye Awards, and really this is a celebration of all of our students, of your dedication, of your commitment, but above all your excellence in maths.